that introduction presented today's video. I can understand if you're a bit confused. What do blockchain, NFTs and so on have to do with flat Earth? Don't worry, I will explain. Let's start. So, what is the connection between blockchain, cryptocurrencies and flat Earth? I will start with showing a short video from David Wise, and I think it all will be more clear.
Don't forget to customize your Flat Earth Clock referral code and wake up more minds out of the matrix. Now your referral points earn DOME cryptocurrency tokens on the Pulse chain. Enter your MetaMask wallet address and all your previous and future referrals will automatically earn DOME coins. In the next few months, there will be an airdrop to all users that have referral points in their account and have entered their MetaMask wallet address. Any users that have referrals and do not have their wallet address added will forfeit their tokens, and they will be divided up between all of the people who have a wallet address added. Some cryptocurrencies are proof of work, some are proof of stake. DOME is proof of mine. By waking people up to our amazing flat realm, you are mining DOME coins. Become a DOME whale and wake up the world.
So, there we have it. He will pay people who refer others to download and pay for the app in this DOME Bitcoin. So, what is DOME Bitcoin? Let's have a closer look on that one.
Welcome to the Everdome Spaceport. This is where we start our metaverse journey to Mars. We're really excited to show you a preview of the interior of the spaceport. Our world is located in a distant yet imaginable future. We want to make it feel like it's just a matter of time, and not some far-fetched future that could just as well be magic. We are creating an exciting platform to connect our world with the metaverse. The first part of the departure hall is dedicated to the amazing legacy of space exploration. You'll be able to experience the Apollo moonlanders, the Moon rover, and the Voyager probe, among many others. For us, space travel is all about pushing boundaries and imagination. So we wanted to give special honor to some of the incredible early space pioneers.
That's one small step for man.
One of my favorite spaces in the spaceport is the Everdome NFT Art Gallery. Here we can experience some beautiful and unique generative art inspired by signals and variables derived from the universe. We start with a series dedicated to the stars. Stars are a universal and inspiring motif that is close to almost all human cultures. We invited some exceptional artists to create this art for us in our community.
What you did see there was a commercial from the company behind the cryptocurrency DOME. The company is called Everdome, and they are making this kind of metaverse. It's a kind of 3D game, you can call it. And the currency you pay with in that game or in the metaverse is the cryptocurrency Dome. And they also sell digital art for their followers and so on. So they have their small metaverse universe there they use Dome. But it's a cryptocurrency, so is it a good cryptocurrency? The second biggest trade place for cryptocurrencies in the world is UOKX, and they delisted this Dome currency in January this year. They didn't trust this currency. So what is the value for a Dome? The value is $0.000383 per Dome. And if you want to buy a NFT from them, you can't use this currency. Ethereum is the cryptocurrency you have to use. In this case, this NFT cost 3.3 Ethereum. That's about $12,500 US. If you have some strange reason plans to buy this silly app from DITRH, it would cost you 7,800 Dome or $3. So, do I think this is a scam? I don't know. I'm not a crypto expert either, but I think it's quite funny. If you read in the video from DITRH, he states Dome is proof of mind. And when you look at the company that have published this crypto, they are making, as I call it, games about space, travels to moon, about travels to Mars. And this is on a channel that believes that space is fake. Oh dear. And I'm quite curious. Will you get one Dome for every new customer you get to DITRH? Okay, that was all I had for this time. I will be back soon. Hope you liked the video. See you soon. Bye.